In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep client communication centralized with a CRM. If you're juggling client emails, messages, and calls across multiple platforms, you're not alone. But here's the thing. There's a much smarter way to manage it all by using a CRM that centralizes every interaction in one place. Now, the CRM we'll be using today is one I've tried out myself, and it's great for managing client conversations without the chaos. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple it can be to streamline client communication, keep everything organized, and save a lot of time. I'll even share an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below, so you can follow along if you're interested. Let's dive into how to set this up. First off, your CRM should automatically capture all communication from your clients. Whether they reach out by email, phone, or even social media, you want all those touchpoints to funnel into one place. This way, you're not scrambling through inboxes or searching for messages across different apps. The key here is automation. With the right CRM, your incoming emails and messages from clients are automatically logged into the system. You can assign tasks, make notes, and even set follow-up reminders all in a single view. That's centralization at its best. Next, ensure your CRM integrates with your team's communication tools. This includes email clients, live chat, and even project management software. When everything is linked together, you can track the entire history of your client's journey without missing a beat. You can see where conversations left off, check tasks that need attention, and even anticipate client needs by seeing upcoming interactions. Now, let's talk about organizing your client information. A CRM can categorize all your clients based on different criteria, such as their engagement status, their preferred communication method, or even their project timeline. This makes finding what you need quick and easy, no matter how many clients you're managing. And here's an important tip. Use labels or tags in your CRM. By tagging your client communication, you can quickly sort through everything based on topics or urgency. Whether it's a high priority message or a general inquiry, this organization ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Once your CRM is set up, make sure to keep it updated. Regular updates help your CRM stay on top of client interactions, ensuring you're always working with the most current data. Whether you're adding new emails, meeting notes, or follow-up tasks, staying organized is key to maintaining seamless communication. The final part to centralizing communication in a CRM is collaboration. If you're working with a team, make sure the CRM allows for easy collaboration. This means that your team can see the same client details, add notes, and contribute to conversations in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page and helps deliver a better client experience. Now here's the key takeaway. To truly centralize client communication, your CRM should gather every message, email, and call into one unified platform. It saves time, improves organization, and ensures you're always ready for your next client interaction. To recap: 1. Use a CRM that automatically logs all communication. 2. Integrate your CRM with your team's communication tools. 3. Categorize and organize client data with labels and tags. 4. Keep your CRM updated regularly. 5. Collaborate with your team within the CRM for better client experiences. Remember, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for this software, available only to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you keep your client communication centralized and organized.